Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to review DermaBrew. DermaBrew is marketed as a skin health supplement that claims to clear acne, balance hormones, and support overall skin barrier health from within. It's positioned as an inside-out solution using ingredients like zinc, burdock root, vitamin A, selenium, and prebiotics to address the root cause of acne, oil production, and inflammation. The brand pushes the message that skincare alone can solve acne unless it targets what's happening internally. I tried DermaBrew because honestly, I had reached that point where topical stuff only went so far. The idea of something that supports skin clarity from the inside sounded appealing, especially since I was already into gut-skin connection supplements. The first week, nothing drastic. Around week 2, I started noticing that my breakouts were drying up faster and the new ones weren't popping up as often. My skin texture, especially around my chin and jawline, looked calmer. I also noticed a bit less oil during the day. It wasn't some overnight miracle, but it did give that subtle my skin feels more in control kind of effect. What I really appreciated is that it didn't upset my stomach or make me feel jittery like some acne supplements loaded with B vitamins do. It feels balanced and doesn't mess with digestion. The biggest downside, however, is that the formula leans on low-dose ingredients like zinc and vitamin A are in safe amounts, but not in clinical strength at levels that you would see in dermatologist-backed supplements. It's more of a maintenance product than a full treatment. Also, results vary. If your acne is hormonal or severe, this won't replace prescription options. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.